Welcome student in Christchurch Digi classes, subject chemistry class 12th, chapter 3 electrochemistry part 2. In part 1 we have seen about the description of Daniell cell. It is also called electrochemical cell and it has a potential of 1.1 volt and it change chemical energy to electrical energy as a result of redox reaction. So we'll see what is redox reaction. So redox reaction includes two reactions, oxidation and reduction. So in short, you can remember redox reaction by the term oil rig. So oil, in term oil rig, oil means oxidation is loss of electron during a chemical reaction, and rig means reduction is gain of electron. So we'll see how this happened in Daniell cell. You can see the setup of Daniell cell. The setup of Daniell cell is as follows. In a beaker, zinc sulfate solution is taken. Zinc sulfate solution is taken, which is dipped, in which zinc anode is dipped, and in another beaker plate copper is dipped in a solution, copper sulfate solution. We have taken another beaker copper sulfate solution in which copper cathode is dipped. These plates of metal are called electrodes of the cell. These electrodes behave as terminal to hold the electron. These two electrodes are connected via wire. In between we can connect voltmeter or ammeter, and a salt bridge is placed between these two beakers. What is the function of salt bridge? This provides a path or channel for the movement of ions from one beaker to the other in order to maintain electrical neutrality. So this is the main function of salt bridge. It maintains electrical neutrality between the two beakers by providing a path or channel for the movement of ion from one beaker to another. So I have explained you a description of Daniell cell, and what is redox reaction I have also explained. Now in Daniell cell, zinc electrode get oxidized and hence releases electron that flow through the wire towards the copper electrode. The copper 2 sulfate solution releases copper ion, Cu2 plus ion. So what are the chemical reaction taking place at anode? Oxidation is taking place. What is oxidation? Loss of electron. Zinc metal is converted into zinc ion Zn2 plus and 2 electrons are released by zinc metal. Now these 2 electrons will travel through the wire from anode to cathode, and at cathode reduction take place. Copper plate or copper cathode will gain these 2 electrons, and copper ion Cu2 plus ion which is present in solution will gain these 2 electrons and get deposited at cathode in the form of copper metal. So this is the working of Daniell cell. Now further Daniell cell described as below. Zinc atoms, being more reactive, have a greater tendency to lose electron than that of copper. These electrons in this cell or Daniell cell move from zinc anode to copper cathode through the wire connecting the two electrodes in the external circuit as shown in the diagram. You can see this is the wire by which voltmeter is connected. Anode is connected with cathode via voltmeter. Okay, so this is the wire I am showing you with. Now a bulb or voltmeter you can place within the circuit. LED bulb will glow and a voltmeter connected within the circuit will show deflection if we connect these two in with the wire. The net reaction of the cell is the sum of two half cell reaction. So this is the first half cell reaction, which is called oxidation, and this is the second half cell reaction, which is called reduction. So if we add these two equations, so arrow behaves like equal, so these two electron will be cancelled out. This is on the right hand side, this is on the left hand side. So Zn plus Cu, zinc metal plus Cu2 plus iron, arrow, we will get Zn2 plus iron plus Cu metal. So the summary of redox reaction is given here. Zinc solid means zinc metal, copper ion which is present in aqueous solution of copper sulfate, arrow zinc ion which is present in zinc sulfate solution, and copper sulfate, sorry, and copper solid means copper metal which act as a cathode electrode. Now in a Daniell cell a salt bridge is also placed. What is the function of salt bridge? Between two beakers containing a zinc sulfate solution and a solution of copper sulfate respectively. What is the function of salt bridge? This provide a path for the movement of ions from one beaker to another beaker in order to maintain electrical neutrality. So the two functions of the salt bridge are it completes the circuit and also it maintains the electrical neutrality between the two beakers. It is also known as electrochemical cell. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.